guys, today I have a quick little video all about my Christmas decor. So I just want to show you guys what I have for Christmas, and it is an awful lot, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And exciting news, today is the first day of Vlogmas, and I do hope to post every day. We'll see if that happens. Probably not, but I will do my very best. And don't forget to subscribe, give this channel a thumbs up, and I have all my social media links down below. Hope you guys like it. So much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Today is day one of Vlogmas, and I do hope to post every single day, and if not, oh well, but I'll do my best. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out my social media links down below, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!